You're making eggs wrong. Yes, you. If your breakfast routine is just scramble, fry, or boil, that's not a meal. That's a cry for help. But today, we fix that. We're making Uova in Purgatorio, eggs in Purgatory. This recipe comes straight from Naples, and it's so good, it makes scrambled eggs look like prison food. And because I can't live well enough alone, we're leveling it up. We're adding eggplant and peppers to create a sauce so rich you want to swim in it. The best part? It looks like it took hours, but you'll have it done in minutes. Here's the squad. Peeled tomatoes, eggplant, a yellow bell pepper, onion, garlic, fresh basil, eggs, oregano, and the diva of the group, aged Pecorino cheese from Sardinia. Oh, and sourdough bread. Because what's the point of life if you cannot mop sauce with bread? Dice the eggplant. Chop the onion, the bell pepper, and garlic. Look, the smaller you chop, the more impressive you look to anyone watching. It's science, so pretend you are in an Italian cooking montage and get it done. First, the eggplant. A little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Cook until golden. Then get it out of the pan. But don't you dare wipe that pan clean. All those brown bits are flavor. In the same pan, the onions go in. Cook them until they're translucent, which is chef talk for not raw anymore. Then add the peppers. Yes, it already smells amazing. Try not to eat it all now. I dare you. Now, the heart of the dish, the tomatoes. Add your salt, pepper, fresh basil, oregano, and garlic. Let it simmer on low. You need to be patient here. This is Netflix binge pace, not TikTok scroll pace. This is where all the flavors get to know each other and create something magical. Therefore, while they're mingling, we prepare our edible spoon. Toast your sourdough in olive oil until it's golden and crispy. Why? Because we're civilized. This bread isn't a side dish. It is the vehicle for delivering that incredible sauce to your mouth. It is not optional. All right, the sauce is ready. The eggplant goes back in. Give it a stir. Now for the main event. Make 4 little nests in the beautiful sauce. Crack an egg into each one. Boom! You're now officially a food stylist. Instagram would be proud. And now the pecorino. Don't be shy. Cover the pan and let the steam cook the eggs. You want the whites to be perfectly set, but the yolks must remain silky and liquid. This is the moment of truth. If your yolks end up like chalk, you've gone straight to hell, not purgatory. Serve it up. Cut into the yolk and watch it run. This is the kind of drama I want in my life. Forget soap operas. This is the moment. This is what you work for. And there you have it. You've turned a boring carton of eggs into a Uova in Purgatorio, a dish so good, scrambled eggs will be jealous. You didn't just make breakfast, you made a statement. If this recipe rescued you from your boring food routine, hit subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's the one ingredient you're always afraid to cook with? I might just rescue it from Purgatory next. See you in the next one. Ciao!